Ever wondered what happens to your body when you ditch sugar for just 2 weeks? Well, brace yourself because the results are mind-blowing. From clearer skin to more energy and even better mental focus, going sugar-free could be the best decision you ever make. Stick around as we dive into the incredible changes that happen when you stop eating sugar for just 14 days. You won't want to miss this. 1. You'll lose your cravings for sugar. Let's start with the most obvious change, losing those sugar cravings. When you quit sugar for 2 weeks, your body begins to reset. See, every time you consume sugar, your blood sugar spikes, which causes your body to release insulin. This insulin drop makes you crave more sugar, creating a vicious cycle. But when you eliminate sugar from your diet, this cycle is broken. After a few days, you'll notice those intense cravings for sweet foods slowly start to fade, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. With fewer cravings, you'll also have more control over your food choices, allowing you to make healthier decisions for your body. 2. Reduced hunger and fewer food cravings. Next up, you'll feel less hungry overall. You might not realize this, but sugar is actually a huge culprit behind constant hunger. That's because consuming sugar leads to fluctuations in your blood sugar levels, causing you to feel hungry soon after eating. When you cut sugar, your blood sugar stabilizes, meaning you'll feel fuller for longer and experience fewer urges to snack. Your body starts to naturally reject the constant need for quick energy sources, like sugar. This makes it easier to stick to nutritious meals without feeling like you're always hungry. Many people who stop eating sugar report feeling more satisfied after meals and find themselves snacking less throughout the day. 3. You'll have more energy and less fatigue. Now let's talk about your energy levels. You might be surprised to learn that cutting out sugar can help reduce fatigue. When you eat sugar, your body experiences quick energy highs followed by sudden crashes, which leave you feeling exhausted and sluggish. But once you eliminate sugar, your body starts using a more stable source of energy, like fat and ketones. As a result, you'll feel more energized, focused, and awake throughout the day. No more afternoon crashes or post-meal sleepiness. Plus, the energy you feel is more sustainable, so you won't feel like you need that extra cup of coffee to make it through the afternoon. 4. Say goodbye to excess water and fat. One of the most noticeable changes happens in the first week. You'll lose excess water and fat. When you eat sugar, your body retains more water, leading to bloating and puffiness. When you cut it out, your body starts shedding that excess water, and within a week, some people lose as much as 13 pounds of water weight. But it's not just water weight. You'll also start burning fat for energy instead of relying on sugar, which leads to long-term weight loss. You'll likely notice your clothes fitting better, especially around your midsection. Not only will you feel lighter, but you'll start seeing more muscle definition and feel more confident in your body. 5. Your mood will improve. Now, here's something you might not expect: a significant mood boost. Cutting out sugar helps regulate your blood sugar levels, which plays a huge role in your emotional stability. When you consume sugar, you might experience spikes in mood followed by crashes, leading to irritability and anxiety. But after a couple of weeks without sugar, many people report feeling calmer, more focused, and generally in a better mood. This means you'll feel less stressed, more relaxed, and ready to take on the day with a positive mindset. It's amazing how something as simple as cutting sugar can make such a difference in your overall emotional well-being. 6. Your skin will glow and clear up. Want clearer skin? Reducing sugar intake can actually improve your skin health. Sugar contributes to an increase in a hormone called insulin and can also raise your levels of androgens, hormones that are linked to acne. When you eliminate sugar, your insulin levels stabilize, and this can lead to a decrease in acne and an overall glow. You might notice that your skin looks smoother, more even-toned, and generally healthier after just a couple of weeks of being sugar-free. It's a pretty easy and effective way to promote better skin without needing to rely on expensive products or treatments. 7. Less inflammation and stiffness. If you suffer from joint pain or stiffness, you may notice a reduction in inflammation after cutting sugar. Sugar is known to increase inflammation in the body, which contributes to stiffness, soreness, and even pain in your joints. But after just a few days of not eating sugar, your body will start using fat for fuel, reducing inflammation at a cellular level. This means fewer aches and pains, more flexibility, and overall less discomfort. You might even feel like you're moving with more ease. Great news for your workouts and daily activities. This is one of the reasons so many people feel more physically active and less restricted in their movements after cutting sugar from their diets. 8. Your brain will get a boost. Here's something that might surprise you. Your brain health will improve. Without sugar, your brain can start using ketones, natural compounds produced when your body burns fat for energy. Ketones are incredibly supportive of brain function and have been shown to promote the growth of new brain cells. Cutting out sugar means your brain will function more efficiently, and you'll experience better mental clarity, focus, and concentration. Whether you're studying for an exam or just working on a big project, you'll find that your cognitive abilities are sharper. This mental boost can make a big difference in your productivity and overall sense of well-being. 9. Your liver will start to detox. Another fantastic benefit of quitting sugar is liver detoxification. The liver is responsible for processing and storing fats, and when you eat a lot of sugar, it tends to get overwhelmed and stores fat within itself, leading to a condition known as fatty liver. But when you stop eating sugar, your liver gets the opportunity to cleanse itself. It starts breaking down fat, and as a result, your liver becomes more efficient at its job. This helps reduce fat accumulation in your body and supports overall metabolic health. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, so giving it a break from sugar gives it the time it needs to work its magic. 10. Your kidneys will function better. Last but not least, cutting sugar can help improve kidney function. For people who suffer from conditions like diabetes, the kidneys are often the first organ to experience damage due to high sugar levels. By reducing sugar intake, you ease the burden on your kidneys, which can improve their function and prevent long-term damage. This also reduces the risk of kidney stones, which are often linked to high sugar and processed food consumption. Taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall health, and reducing sugar is a simple yet powerful step you can take to protect them. Ready to take on the sugar-free challenge? Let me know in the comments if you're up for it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another game-changing health tip. Stay sweet, and I'll see you in the next video.